It's just because the lifters were worn out. I think that's what that noise is. Could be wrong though. But it's got great oil pressure. Over 30 pounds. And it's got 360,000 kilometers on it. Not sure what that is in miles, but yeah. 1993 G5J 2.5 liter 4-cylinder.